It's an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul. Subject EVS 1 Social Studies. Class 5. Topic The Deserts. The deserts. What are deserts? Areas with an average rainfall of less than 100 mm a year can be classed as deserts. Rainfall in deserts tends to be very irregular, making them some of the most inhospitable environments on our planet. Deserts are basically located or found around the tropics, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Children, here is a map of major deserts on Earth. Types of deserts. Deserts can be hot, temperate, or cold deserts. Let us see different types of deserts. Sahara Desert, Atacama Desert, Kalahari Desert, Thar Desert, Gobi Desert. It's a temperate desert, Gobi Desert of Mongolia, and cold desert of Ladakh. Desert climate. What type of climate is found in a desert? The desert is the hottest biome on Earth. However, the desert is also a land of extremes. It can be over 100 degrees of Fahrenheit during the day, but below 32 degrees at night. This changes because deserts are bare. The amount of rainfall also varies. Though there is little rain in a desert, and when does rain, it pours. Violent rainstorms can cause flash floods in the desert. After a storm, the desert may not see any rain for weeks or months. There is a variation in climate of hot desert and a cold desert. In hot desert, usually less than 250 mm of annual precipitation. High temperatures during the day, much colder temperatures at night, and scorching hot summers and mildly hot winters. But let us come and see the climate of cold desert. It's also less than 250 mm of annual precipitation. Mildly cold temperatures during the day, freezing temperatures at night. Mildly coastlands. Deserts are biologically rich habitats with a vast array of animals and plants that have adapted to the harsh conditions there. The plant life of the desert are unique in their own way. Plants that you won't find anywhere else. Some of these plants are a major tourist attractions. Cacti are among the most popular and most famous of the succulent varieties. While succulents like the aloe plants store water throughout their dense, fleshy bodies, cactus have their water supply regulated to one single stem, which the rest of the body of the cactus is covered in sharp spikes or spines. These are some of the pictures of the plants that are found in the deserts, such as cactus, the most common one. Here is a baobab tree, which is specifically found in the Sahara Desert. The trunk of this tree can hold billions of liters of water. You can see, children, the vegetation near oasis. The palm trees that comes out near the oasis. These are the date palm, the most popular tree in the desert. Desert animals. Animal life. The desert habitat is home to a variety of animals that have adapted to survive in harsh, dry conditions. Some of the most iconic desert animals have obvious physical characteristics that have enabled them to adapt to their environment. Hot and dry desert animals have specific characteristics. That is, the animals include small nocturnal carnivores. Nocturnal means the animals that come out at night. The dominant animals are burrowers and kangaroo rats. They live in burrows. There are also insects, arachnids, reptiles, and birds. The animals stay inactive in protected hideaways during the hot day and come out to forage at dusk, dawn, or at night when the desert is cooler. These are the animals which you'll usually find in the desert region. The most popular, known as the ship of desert, the camel. Snakes. The most reptiles, the most venomous snakes are found in the desert. Scorpions, fox. Now let us see about the birds. In this extreme condition, there are different desert birds which thrive with many developed adaptations. Desert birds, however, make the most of very little. Let's come and see what types of birds are found. Here few of the pictures of the birds are given. Owl, vulture, eagles, falcons. Children, I hope adaptations of desert animals. The two main adaptations that desert animals must make are how to deal with lack of water and how to deal with extremes in temperature. Here are few of the animals and their adaptations. Kangaroo rats are known to manufacture water from the digestion of dry seeds. Camel, known as the ship of desert. The camel has been very useful in adapting to the extreme conditions of deserts. Here you can see they have adapted themselves in so many situations, like 2 rows of long eyelashes and thin slit nostril protecting them from blowing wind. They can drink up to 30% of its body weight when it finds water, 200 liters in 3 minutes. A hard flat area of skin on stomach and thick leathery patch on knees protects when resting on hot sand. Can store large amount of water in gut. Wide feet to spread out weight on sand. Fat and hump releases water when broken down. Thick fur and underwool provide warmth at night and insulation against sun in day. The extremely large intestine for reabsorbing all the water from the food they eat. Low volume urine to retain as much water as possible. These animals live in burrows. The desert animals, you can see children over here, they live in burrows to avoid the sun. For example, kangaroos. Animals intake water from other sources like their food also. Scorpions have outer hard skin to reduce water loss. The camels, as we have studied earlier, as I told earlier, that they store fat and hump and water in long neck and also have cushioned feet. Adaptations in birds. Desert birds. Birds in the desert often are nocturnal. They hunt at night. Some birds, like the owl, here hunt during the day. God gave owls super sight and hearing, plus their feathers are shaped so they fly without a sound. Here is a burrowing animal. They make burrows and they live in those burrows. Road runners, the most common animal in desert. Animals must stay cool in hot areas. Road runners have long legs that keep their body off the hot ground and allow them to run fast up to 20 miles an hour. Human life in desert. The desert offers an extreme environment for human population to survive. The lack of water, food and other basic means of living are not easily accessible. People in deserts have a nomadic life. That is, they move from one place to another in search of food, water and other resources. Here is a picture of nomadic tribes of the Sahara. A Bedouin man. It's a life in Thar desert. You can see an oasis. Camels are here. Scattered vegetation, very scanty vegetation, and ladies are taking water from the oasis. Children, I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you.